Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'awudhu billahi minash shaytanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. فَلَنَقُصَّنَّ عَلَيْهِمْ بِعِلْمٍ وَمَا كُنَّا غَائِبِينَ. Translation: Then, having the full knowledge, we shall narrate to them their events, and we were never absent at all. In the previous ayah, we studied a very important point about the philosophy of prophethood, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends prophets with his message, and the duty of prophets is to convey the message to the people. And once the people get the message from the Prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and if they reject it, they will be destroyed. And those who accept it directly from the Prophet of Allah, they will be saved. And then in the hereafter, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask the people who were given the prophets that, did you get the message of Prophet? And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will also ask the prophets that, did you give my message to these people? And in today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying a very majestic thing, that asking the prophets and asking the nations is just one thing, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Al-Alim, and He's present everywhere. He does not have to ask the prophets, or He does not have to ask the people any question. He knows everything. But just to complete the hujjah and the argument, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask the prophets and the people in the hereafter. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's ilm is absolute. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's presence is everywhere, every second and every time frame. He is omnipresent. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows everything. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala connect us with the truthful people. Oh Allah, make us among those who accept all the commandments of Allah and His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam and act on the commandments. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.